Assalamu alaikum class 3. Today we are here with the new chapter 2, more about paints. Let's see what is today's topic. Today's topic is topic number 2, rotate or flip a drawing, resize a drawing. Rotate, flip a drawing. What is rotating? In this chapter we will study what is a rotate option or what is basically definition of rotate. Rotate is a tool that is used to change the angle of the drawing. We use this option to rotate our drawing onto the screen either in the clockwise direction or either in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, any desired angle we want to settle our image onto the screen, we use the rotate tool. And what is flip a drawing? Let's see the definition. Flip is an option that gives the mirror image of your drawing. Yes, if you want the mirror image of our drawing, we use this flip option. Let's see how can we access these two options. We can access these two options through the ribbon, okay, by clicking the home tab, going to the image group and clicking the rotate button. Okay, after clicking the rotate button, we can get a rotate menu. In this menu we got both of these options, rotate option and as well as flip options. Listen again. What is the procedure to go through the ribbon? Click on the home tab, image group and rotate button. Look at the pictorial form. Yes, our ribbon looks like that. First we have to click the home tab over here. This is called the tab. And going through the image group by clicking on the rotate button. Yes, this rotate button gives us a rotate menu. Second method is by through the mouse clicking. Clicking mouse right button. This button. When we click the mouse right button, it will give again list of option, and from there we will click rotate and a rotate menu will open for you again with this method, mouse clicking. Okay, how can we use it? In this rotate menu we can use it. For example, this is our picture and we want to rotate it in 90-degree direction from the right side. This rotate right 90-degree. How will it appear? It will move the our picture into the 90 degrees, but in the right hand side direction. Okay. For rotating left 90-degree, the selected image will turn towards the left hand side, but in the 90-degree option. For rotate 180-degree, what will happen if we rotate our image to 180 degrees? Yes, it will turn upside down, or if it is turned downside, it will turn straight again. Okay, it will totally rotate the image to 180 degrees. Flip a drawing. Here is the complete image of the rotate menu. You can see that the flip options are given on the bottom side. What will happen if we click on the flip vertical? First we have an image. Okay, this is our picture onto the MS Paint screen. If we use flip vertical, vertical means top to bottom direction, it will give the mirror image, yes, into the vertical direction. It will create the mirror image vertically for you. And if we select the image flip horizontal, horizontal means from left to right or right to left. For example, we have this image and we want to flip this image. Flip means creating the mirror image of it in the horizontal manner. What will it give? It will give the image or flip the image horizontally for you. Okay, understand? Resize a drawing. Resize a drawing is very easy. Look at the definition. Resize option is used to change the size of the drawing. Yes, if we want to increase or decrease the size of our drawing, we use this option. And where we can find this option? First we will find onto the ribbon by going to the Home tab. Again in the image group, on the above side of the rotate option, we will get resize button. Look over here, I have picture illustration for you. This is the Home tab, image group and resize button. Okay, look again, clicking the Home tab onto the image group. The image group is given on the bottom side with the gray writing, and clicking on the resize button. When we click on the resize button, it will give us resize and skew dialog box, and by adjusting the values from horizontal and vertical points, we will get our image resized. Either if we increase the points over here, it will enlarge our picture, or if we decrease the points over here, it will make our picture small in size. By clicking on the picture. Secondly, by clicking through the mouse left button, our image will be selected like this, and for example, this is our image. I am giving you a blank image, and we can move our image in the diagonal direction. The mouse pointer onto it, holding the corner area and dragging it to the diagonal side, outer side or inner side. If you want to decrease the image, you can just move the arrow in the inner diagonal, or if you want to increase the image, you can press and hold and drag the mouse pointer from the corner of the image to the outer diagonals. Okay, that will increase your image. Okay, this is diagonal side, diagonal way. For example, over here, resize option onto the paint. A picture given over here, we just put our mouse pointer at the corner. First we will click onto this picture. It will give a selected border, dotted border, and from the corner side, press and hold and drag our image either in the diagonal inner side or the outer side. It will resize your image. Over here, I have resized the image to the smaller size. Okay. Recap of the topic. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed rotate a drawing, means to turn the drawing in a particular angle. Flip a drawing means to take or create a mirror image of a drawing. Third, resize a drawing, to adjust the size of the drawing, either small or enlarge our drawing. Okay, we can use these three options to adjust our image. Homework. What is the homework of today? You have to note down in your notebooks. Define the following. Write the definitions of the following: rotate, flip and resize option. Okay. Question number 2. Write the names of the tab, group and icon of the following options. First, you have to make 4 columns. First, with the heading of options that are given the question: A. Rotate and B. Resize. Okay. In the second column, write the heading of the tab. Write the tab name that is clicked for these options. And the third column with the name of the group. In this group column, you have to write the group name of the icons or the options that is used for these. And number 4, column is you have to give the heading of icon. In this icon column, you have to draw small icons of these options, rotate and resize. Okay, what you have to do in question number 2, you have to make 4 columns: option, tab, group and icon of both of these options: A, rotate, and B, resize. Practical work, I am giving you a very easy practical work. Design a birthday card. Okay, in this, through this activity, you can use all the options onto the MS Word to create this card and practice all the today's learned applications or buttons onto it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Allah Hafiz.